In Islam, the consumption of alcohol is generally considered prohibited or haram, based on the teachings of the Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, and the Hadiths, which are the recorded sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad. The prohibition is rooted in the belief that alcohol can have detrimental effects on the individual's spiritual, moral, and physical well-being, and it can lead to behavior that is inconsistent with Islamic values. Although Islam acknowledges that alcohol has some benefits, Islam also states that the negative effects of alcohol far outweigh these benefits. They ask you about wine and gambling. Say, in both these there is great evil, even though there is some benefit for people, but their evil is greater than their benefit. They ask, what should we spend in the way of Allah? Say, whatever you can spare. In this way Allah clearly expounds His injunctions to you that you may reflect upon them. Quran chapter 2, verse 219. O believers! Intoxicants, gambling, idols, and drawing lots for decisions are all evil of Satan's handiwork. So shun them so you may be successful. Satan's plan is to stir up hostility and hatred between you with intoxicants and gambling, and to prevent you from remembering Allah and praying. Will you not then abstain? Quran chapter 5, verses 90 and 91. These verses emphasize the negative aspects of alcohol, such as its potential to lead to sinful behavior, impair one's judgment, and distance individuals from their relationship with Allah. Islamic scholars and jurists generally agree that the prohibition of alcohol consumption is clear and binding. Muslims are advised to abstain from consuming alcohol in any form, including beverages and products that contain alcohol. Engaging in alcohol-related activities, such as producing, selling, or promoting alcohol, is also discouraged.